In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automate email handling in n8n. We're building a beginner-friendly workflow that watches for new emails, pulls out attachments, classifies each message, extracts structured details, and optionally uses AI to refine the results. Even if you're brand new to n8n, I'll explain every node in clear, simple terms so you can follow along confidently. We'll start by adding an email trigger node. This connects to your mailbox over IMAP and acts like a doorbell for your automation. As soon as a new message arrives, the workflow wakes up and grabs the email content along with any attachments. Think of this as the foundation. Once the trigger is set, everything else happens automatically behind the scenes. Next, we'll extract data from attachments using the Extract from File node. Many emails arrive with PDFs or documents that aren't immediately readable by AI. This node opens the attached files and converts them into plain text, which makes the content searchable, scannable, and ready for downstream processing. If an email doesn't have attachments, it simply moves forward with the email body text. With the text ready, we'll classify the email using the Text Classifier node. This uses AI to decide which category best fits the content, such as job application, inbound lead, invoice, or other. Automatic sorting helps you route messages to the right place without manual review. It looks at both the email body and any extracted attachment text to improve accuracy. After classification, we'll extract structured variables using the Information Extractor node. This is where unstructured text becomes clean, usable data. For example, from a job application you might pull first name, last name, age, residence, study, work experience, and personal characteristics. If a field is missing, the node simply returns what it can, so your workflow stays robust. Optionally, you can connect the OpenAI chat model node to interpret or enhance the data. This can boost classification accuracy or enrich details pulled from attachments. If you choose to use it, keep prompts clear and focused, and connect your AI provider securely through n8n's Credentials Manager. To keep complex builds tidy, we'll organize with no-op nodes and sticky notes. No-op nodes act as placeholders where you can branch logic later, while sticky notes document what each section does. Clear labels make it easy to maintain and extend your workflow over time. Putting it all together, the email trigger listens, attachments are converted to text, messages are classified, structured details are extracted, optional AI refines the output, and branches handle each category as needed. By the end, you'll have a dependable, automated email pipeline in n8n that saves time, reduces errors, and scales with your needs.